Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford F150's oil life monitor. This simple process ensures your truck accurately tracks its maintenance needs. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. You'll use the arrow buttons and the OK button on your steering wheel to navigate the display. Next, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the options on your instrument cluster display. You're looking for the main menu, which often includes categories like trip/fuel or truck info. Once you find settings, press the OK button to enter that menu. Now, inside the settings menu, use your arrow buttons to navigate to vehicle or truck info, then press OK. Continue scrolling until you see Oil Life Reset or a similar prompt showing the current oil life percentage. To reset it, press and hold the OK button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see the oil life percentage change on your display, typically resetting to 100%. Once it reaches 100%, you can release the OK button. Your Ford F150's oil life monitor is now successfully reset, ready to accurately track your next oil change interval. Finally, turn off your ignition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.